SoFi Invest is now having a new feature on their platform. So we're going to be talking about this. So if you're somebody who's either new to the platform or interested in getting started, this is going to be a really cool feature that we want to talk about. So we're here on the main screen of SoFi Invest, which, by the way, real quick, if you're somebody who's not already using the platform but are interested in it after we talk about this today, I'm going to have a link for them in the show notes down below. It gives you a $50 bonus for using my referral, but also supports the channel and all the free content we give you here on the platform. So you can see right over here, we're on SoFi Invest, and up here at the top, it says new and it says IPO investing. So this is kind of interesting. I've never really seen this before with other platforms. So we're going to click on here, and I think I'm going to have to switch to a smaller screen here. So it says new IPO investing. It says get in on the IPO action at IPO prices in SoFi app. It has an asterisk, so we should probably double check what that means. And it says enable active invest members can participate in upcoming IPOs before they trade on an exchange, only in the SoFi app, which is really interesting because normally you have to wait until things IPO with everything else so that we can get in. So if you can get in before those prices start skyrocketing, that might be pretty interesting. Now, investing in IPOs can be a little dangerous, so always be weary of that. So it says investing in initial public offering involves substantial risk, which we just talked about. It says including the risk of loss. For a comprehensive discussion on these risks, please refer to SoFi Securities IPO risk disclosure. So now this is going to be a whole new feature here. So it shows right here IPO investing and how it works. It says make sure you're eligible. In order to participate, you need to have at least $3,000 across all SoFi Invest accounts. So if you have multiple accounts, just make sure there's over 3,000. It says submit an indication of interest. It says select the IPOs you'd like to participate in and submit an indication of interest, which is IOI. And this is confirm your buy. It says after your IOI is submitted, you'll be notified to confirm your buy order to secure your units when the transaction settles. It says IPO investing now for the rest of us. It says traditionally across access to IPOs before they're traded on an exchange has been reserved for the large institutional investors. Eligible SoFi members with at least 3,000. So we just talked about that. And then there was a little video right over here that kind of goes over it as well, which I'll actually have linked in the show notes down below if you guys want to kind of go over more of what that all means. But you can kind of see right over here, you choose the IPO, you get everything confirmed, and then you can go ahead and buy it before it goes on the market on like Robinhood or Webull or anything else. So this is pretty huge. I'll be interested to hear from you guys. Are you somebody who wants to invest in IPOs right away so you can get hopefully that nice jump in when hopefully the stock goes up, or are you a little bit more risk adverse and want to kind of stay clear of something like this? Because it's obviously not required, but it is a possibility for you as well. Let me know in the comments down below. Hit the like button too, because that'll let us know to share this out with other people here on the platform. But like I said, if you are somebody who is not yet using SoFi Invest and you want to get started so you have access to this cool new feature, I'll have a link for them in the show notes down below. Gives you that $50 bonus and supports the channel out. Now, if you want to just learn more about SoFi Invest in general, check out my next video right over here to learn all about the platform. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.